Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Fort Qu'Appelle, Saskatchewan. This beautiful little town is set in the Qu'Appelle Valley, surrounded by rolling hills, green forests, and 4 peaceful lakes. It's about 70 kilometers northeast of Regina and is a favorite place for people to visit in both summer and winter. The town began as a Hudson's Bay Company trading post in the 1800s and quickly became an important spot for fur traders, settlers, and travelers passing through the valley. The name Qu'Appelle comes from a French phrase that means "who calls?" and comes from an old legend about voices calling across the valley waters. Today, Fort Qu'Appelle is known for its lovely natural setting and rich history. Visitors and locals enjoy boating, fishing, and swimming in Echo Lake, Mission Lake, Qu'Appelle Lake, and Pasqua Lake, all nearby. The town itself has cozy shops, restaurants, and small parks, and you can still see old buildings from the early days. The Fort Qu'Appelle Museum shares stories from the area's past, including its connection to indigenous peoples, early settlers, and the fur trade. It's a simple, friendly place where history and nature meet, and a wonderful spot to relax and enjoy Saskatchewan's prairie beauty. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fort Qu'Appelle, Saskatchewan. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. On a clear day, the sky here would normally be a bright blue, but smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It softens the light and gives the sky a pale, hazy appearance. Wildfire smoke can travel a long way and affect skies and air quality even in places far from the actual fires. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Thanks for watching!